Hi, in this kitchen coaching video series, I'm going to teach you how easy it is to eat for your hormonal health without it taking a lot of time or energy or feeling stressed about what to eat and when. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know and my top tips for each meal of the day. Now, I'm guessing that for a lot of you, this probably isn't the first time, right? You've tried to eat well. If you struggled with this in the past, it's not your fault, right? There's a lot of information out there and it can be really confusing. You can do this. You just need the right person to explain it to you. So that's what we're here for today. I know you want to feel better and you want to lose weight, and I want to show you how to do that and how to make it happen during this training. So first I want to give you my 4 big picture tips to help you get started. Tip number 1, focus on eating fresh, whole foods. Try to make 80% of your nutrition come from foods that you've prepared yourself, right? The fresher the foods are, the better they are for you. Tip number 2, eat more plant-based foods. The wider the variety of plant-based foods, like the green veggies and the seeds and the nuts, the better you'll feel. This is because plant-based foods are rich in phytonutrients that your body needs to help balance your hormones. And tip number 3, plan and prepare ahead. When you're feeling rushed and stressed and tired, it's really easy to make poor eating choices. So planning and preparing your meals for the next day or even the next week will reduce the stress and decision fatigue around what to eat, right? So prepare your meals, especially breakfast. It will really help you start the day well and set you up for success. And tip number 4, follow the 80-20 rule. You don't have to be perfect, right, for this to work. As long as you're on track 80% of the time, you will feel better. Allow yourself a few treats during the week and schedule them ahead of time so you're consciously choosing the treats rather than emotionally eating. Don't beat yourself up if you do have a piece of cake or a bowl of ice cream. Everything in moderation. Remember, as long as you're on track 80% of the time, you will see results. Alrighty, so in the next 4 videos, I'm going to walk you through breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks and show you exactly what to do, what to avoid and how to enjoy your new way of eating. So let's get started.